Hi, welcome to LOOk's YouTube channel. In this video, I show you how to use the LOOkX Moisture Boost Cream. This cream has a short and long-term hydrating effect on dry and dehydrated skin. This light and oil-free formula prevents a tight feeling and hydrates the deepest layers of the skin. An advanced cocktail of active ingredients gives the skin a hydration boost and protects against premature aging. The cream comes with a special applicator to douse the right amount of cream that you need. Apply the cream with clean fingertips on your face with a massaging movement. Use this cream in combination with the LOOkX Moisture serum to strengthen the actions of the cream. The LOOkX Moisture Boost Cream is suitable for all skin types for hydration and prevents a tight feeling. Don't forget to follow LOOkX on social media for more beauty tips and tricks.